Lad and I are having our good friends, the Canes, over for dinner tonight. They're gonna bring their kids and we're just gonna have a big party together. I'm gonna make Mexican food. The first time I ever cooked for the Canes, I made Mexican food, so every time they come over, that's what I make. I'm starting with Tequila Lime Chicken. It's just a great marinated chicken breast. It'll marinate all day long, and then Lad will throw them on the grill when the Canes get here. I've got 12 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm gonna put 6 in each of these large plastic bags. And now I'll make the marinade. I'll start with 4 limes. You know, I love it when Hyacinth and John come over because we've known them for such a long time, and it's always really comfortable and fun. And the kids love one another. Our boys are best friends, our girls are best friends. Our families go way back. Hyacinth and I became friends right after my husband and I got married. But actually, her husband's parents and my husband's parents were the best of friends. And it even goes a generation or 2 before that. So it's really fun to get together with them. There's a lot of history there. All right, so I'll pour the lime juice into the food processor. And then I'll throw in 5 cloves of garlic. Now I've got 1 jalapeno, and I'll slice off the top and bottom, and then I'll split it down the middle. And since the kids are gonna eat, I'll split each half in half and scrape out the seeds and the white membranes, because that's where the spiciness is. I'll leave a little bit, but then it won't be overpowering. So I'll throw those in. Then I'll add about 1/4 cup of olive oil, give or take. And then a whole cup, of tequila. And the tequila gives the chicken some great flavor, but it also tenderizes it as it marinates. And then I'll add a good amount of salt. All right, that's all combined. And now I'll grab about 1/2 bunch of cilantro. I'll just give it a rough chop and throw it in. And I'm just gonna pulse it up. I don't wanna completely pulverize it. All right, I still want there to be pieces of cilantro in there, not just be a big green soup. Now I'll just pour half the marinade into each bag. This stuff is magic. I mean, it does something to chicken. You just won't believe it. And then as I seal each bag, I'll push out as much air as I can so the chicken and the marinade will be right up against each other. I don't want anything to come between my chicken and my marinade, not even air. All right, now these just need to marinate in the fridge for a few hours, and then Lad will throw them on the grill later. The tequila lime chicken's been marinating, and Lad's gonna throw it on the grill. Got your chicken, honey.
You gonna show me how to grill it?
Yep, so basically just cook it on both sides till it's done. After you turn it over, honey, put a little Monterey Jack on each piece so it'll melt.
Does that help it taste better?
Are you saying you have something against chicken?
I'm just saying, I think beef would have been better.
But you know what? We're cattle ranchers, and we need to expand our horizons every now and then, so. Oh, honey, those look perfect.
Looks good.
Time to take them off. I've got everything else ready, so I'm ready to eat.
You're just waiting on me?
As usual.
There you go.
Perfect. Thanks, honey.
Yep.
Now the chicken breasts, they just look perfect. Okay, now I'm just gonna slice these up diagonally. I can't help but go into mom mode and cut everybody's meat. When my kids are in their 40s, I'm still gonna cut up their meat for them. You don't have to put cheese on your chicken, of course, but I don't know why you wouldn't. It's so good.